Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Muhammad Farooq Akhtar, and today we are going to discuss one of the important topic of international marketing. And international marketing population trends are very important. When you go abroad, you'll have to understand about the population dynamics, such as number one, you'll have to understand about the growth in population. Number two, you'll have to understand about the urbanization, and number three, you'll have to understand about the aging patterns of the population. First of all, we shall talk about the population growth. In population growth, as per the survey, it was suggested that in 2050, the world population will grow up to 85% in developing countries, and it means there's only 15% population should reside in the developed countries, having a lot of resources, but they have a certain deficiency in their population growth. So it have some certain meanings for the people who are working on the marketing side, the people who are working on the human resource side, because when we talk about that population is going to decrease in the advanced countries and population is going to increase in the developing countries, it have some certain meanings, there may be a chances that in future we have some certain shortage of employees in the developed countries, and we have some certain kind of consumption deficiencies in advanced countries, and there are much better chances that we may produce the products in local countries and export to the developing countries, because they are going to face a lot of problems in future. The most important thing is the urban population or rural population. It was suggested, it was predicted in 20 that in 2030, 61% population shall be in will start their residence in the urban cities. Also have a certain meaning, because the urban people have much better understanding about the new and upcoming lifestyles, and they have a much better consumption patterns as compared to the rural combination. Secondly, this have also some policy issues, like if most of the people in 2030 in the urbanized cities, and there is a very less people in the rural cities, it means we have to face a multiple kind of a problem, like a smog, like we have to face the pollution issues, polluted air, polluted water, and all these issues. We have to face some deficiency of water, we'll have to face some deficiency of food as well. In urban again, we'll have to face some traffic jams and all these conditions. So population is one of the most important issue for the marketing personas as well. And secondly, it's very important for the policy makers and the researchers to have to study that how we can make it better, but make it in a division, in a proper proportionate system in a different areas of the world. The next important thing is the aging population. It was seen in the surveys and it was seen in the literature that the developed countries have maintain their aging population as well, because it was seen in the previous literature that suggested that most of the people died in the late age, in the age around 60 to 65. However, due to good health facilities, due to good insurance and all these issues, people are getting better ages, and in advanced countries like in USA, Japan, and some other countries as well, like UK, United Kingdom especially, they have a population, they have a very good amount of population above 65. And secondly, they have a very good, due to some birth rate birth due to some birth related issues which was not covered in the previous time, and babies are died at early stages. Currently they have also maintained that issue, so they have a much more people and baby at below than the age of 15, and they have a much more population after 65. So that it means that mainly one of the main pressure lies in between age people, that cause a problem for those countries, because aging population is again one of the major issues for these kind of a countries. So again, there may be a chances that they will have to get some people to work from the other countries. And all these three issues, like growth in population, like aging trends, like fertility issues, the issues related to urbanization, these have certain meanings. And being a marketer, we have to understand the importance of population dynamics, and we have to start our business while considering all these factors. Thank you very much to listen this talk, and inshallah we shall talk about and move on towards the cultural aspects which can influence the international business practices. Thank you very much.